What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to let our task toolbar or Windows toolbar just like this. Something like a transparent or a more stylish toolbar in a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to our start menu and go to the Microsoft Store. Into search apps, games and more, we're gonna type translucent TB, okay, just like this. You're gonna click on get, then you're gonna need to click on open, okay, we're gonna need to install the program. After opening, you're gonna be able to play with the program just like this. Next to your watch, you're gonna be able to see the toolbar, click and you can play with colors, windows, maximize, the options to start, the options to search, the view, battery saved, the advanced options like edit settings, open a boot, tips and tricks, in the case that I want to learn more. There is a couple of options to play with. For example, editing the settings. Or for example, changing the colors just like this. You can even change the intensity of the colors in the case that you want for a more translucent or a less translucent option. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.